Mayday, mayday, mayday. This is Cactus 1549.
Hit birds.
Which engine did you lose?
Both engines.
Sue?
Yep.
I have an emergency. Cactus 1549, if we can get it for you, do you want to try to land runway 13?
We are unable. We may end up at the Hudson.
This is the captain. Brace for impact.
What? Brace! Heads down, stay down.
Remember this.